3 great money-making apps for 2020. How you can start making cash as soon as today using your smartphone right after watching this here video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's get right to the content now. At number 1 is iPoll, and its very simple concept. What they allow you to do is complete 15 to 20 minute surveys. Companies respect your opinion, being that these different companies are looking to see if their product is good or to get reviews and things of that nature. These companies submit their products and they pay to get them on iPoll, so that way their users can take these surveys to review their products and their services. When you review their products and services, you achieve points every time you do so. When you achieve these points, you simply can go ahead and redeem these points to cash out on different rewards. The best way to explain this is a prime example of if you go to the arcade and start playing games and you earn tickets when you play each one. You're going to start accumulating a lot of tickets. The most favorite reason why people play those games is not to actually play the games, but that fulfilling moment when they go to the redemption counter and redeem those tickets to get their rewards. So it's the same fulfilling feeling with iPoll. Attempting to make a full-time income is definitely not recommended. However, if you do have a little extra spare time and you wish to find an activity to kill some time and make some extra cash, this will do the trick. Let's say you're waiting at a bus stop, or you're just chilling, or you're bored as heck. This is definitely cool for you. Go ahead and spend that extra time on iPoll instead of being on your social media. To start, you earn points, and then from time to time you can go to cash out these points for payment. So as stated before, that app is called iPoll. Check it out. Up next is one of the most famous apps out there for making free money. This free money-making app for 2020 is called Swagbucks. Right now Swagbucks has paid out over $250 million in rewards to date. So you ask the question, does this really work? Yes, this really works. There's been a lot of people who have been taking part on these surveys and actually redeeming the points that they've been earning with Swagbucks, and it is highly recommended to take part as well if you have extra time. Why not spend your extra spare time to earn money? People generally love giving their opinions and portraying their thoughts instead of keeping them in their heads, so why not get paid to do just that? Swagbucks will allow you to earn free PayPal money with, and what doesn't earn you PayPal redemption will get you gift cards. It all depends on what you want to redeem. Seems like a pretty good idea, and it's exciting to be able to make money while you kill time. Now before we hop into the last free money app, please go ahead and click that like button. It really helps this channel. And please subscribe and click the bell icon so you can be notified the moment each new video is posted to this channel about the top free money apps. So last but not least, this app is a little different. It's called Mercari. With Mercari you can get started for free just by downloading the app in your smartphone. You will then be able to create an account using Facebook or email information. Once logged in, you will be able to begin to sell items for cash under the proper categories just by uploading pictures and placing good descriptions. When an item is sold, the company will send a prepaid shipping label to the seller so the item can be sent out. Once the buyer receives the item and gives a rating, the seller receives payment. Definitely sounds great, don't you think? People have been using this app and making money for quite a while. Go ahead and give it a try. Just be mindful of who you do business with on the platform. Luckily the app itself safeguards against scammy members, making your experience much safer. So there you have it. 3 apps that are highly recommended to try out to make free money in 2020. Number 1, iPoll, take surveys for money. Number 2, Swagbucks, get money back from purchases, take surveys, watch videos, and more. Number 3, Mercari, get paid to list and sell items. Hopefully this video has given you some ideas as to how to make money using some apps on your phone. Please leave a comment below to share your favorite free make money apps that you have used. Click the link in the description to check out some more free money apps that people are using to make money using just their smartphone. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.